make your whole pair toe to ride on the dick. Cause my shit is not no free ride in this bitch. You got to pay cause it's good. I'm representing my hood, nigga. Hold up like you just take diamonds pressing against that wood. How could you figure that I ain't no nigga that be real to the motherfucking bone?
Real to the damn bone.
Yeah.
Hop on the microphone.
Yeah.
The girl give me some good dome, then I take the bitch back home.
Yeah.
Tell her leave me alone.
Yeah.
Leave the number out the phone.
Yeah.
I ain't even much tripping, bitch coming down in a thong.
Yeah.
Yes, I got this whole freaking. Just got the bitch real high. Now I got her in the bed, man, going
Yeah.
Say that shit hurt. I hit it where it hurt. Pull up a skirt, bend it over, then I work.
Yeah.
Murk.
Yeah.
Make that shit hurt.
Yeah.
Man, I put it so far in the throat that bitch burp.
Yeah.
Man.
He
Hold
say
up.
the bitch burp.
Yeah.
Nigga from the H-time, so we on that fucking perk.
Yeah.
Goons fucking lurk.
Yeah.
We pullin' up a skirt.
Yeah.
Then we gon' make that hoe squirt when we work.
Yeah.
Man, make her twerk.
Yeah.
Shake that ass for me.
Yeah.
Man, hold up them hoes, all fucking love me.
Yes, they fucking love me. No, they wanna dub me. Wanna get in my bed and gon' fuck me. Bitch, I'm so lovely. Bitch, I'm so fly. It's that nigga dead and I bust a bitch in the eye.
Yeah.
If he a hoe nigga,
Yeah.
I might pull the damn trigger.
Yeah.
I ain't even much trippin', got a Adidas summer outfit nigga. Man, got my hair redone.
Yeah.
This weekend my ass some fun.
Yeah.
I ain't even much trippin' cause we got niggas wanna run.
Yeah.
When we show up,
Yeah.
lean up in our cup.
Yeah.
I ain't even tripping, nah, beat your bitch ass up, cause
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck,
Yeah.
and I don't give a damn,
Yeah.
and I never will, so don't stop this whole damn.
Don't stop this hoe, damn. I got your bitch, I'm finna go ahead and fucking ram and slam. Nigga recording on the fucking cam. Man, hold up, I got the bitch cooking me spam.
Yeah.
Just to fucking eat your whole greed by playing with my fucking meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, we on this hoe.
Boys out in the bitch in this hoe. Yeah.